Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 4, Shloka number 29. Apāne juhvati prāṇaṁ, prāṇe pānaṁ tathāpare, prāṇāpāna-gatī ruddhvā, prāṇayāma-parāyaṇāḥ. Supreme Lord Shri Krishna says, others who are inclined to the process of breath restraint practice by offering the movement of the outgoing breath into the incoming and the incoming breath into the outgoing. Thus, halting the movement of both these breaths, they absorb themselves in the restraint of breath. The technique of breath control is described here as a form of sacrifice. In the Yoga Sutra of Patanjali, where he describes the signs of Ashtanga Yoga, the fourth stage is called prāṇāyāma. Shri Krishna here explains prāṇāyāma as another technique for self-control. Prāṇayaama consists of three processes: Pūraka, process of filling in the breath; Kumbhaka, process of holding the breath for some time; Rechaka, process of blowing out the breath. This process of Pūraka, Kumbhaka, Rechaka, Kumbhaka, Pūraka, when practiced in the prescribed manner, becomes the method of pranayama. As a sacrifice, some offer the outgoing breath into the incoming breath. The process of blowing out is technically called the rechaka. Others offer the incoming into the outgoing in the technique of pranayama. This is called Pūraka, the process of filling in. These two processes are alternated with an interval wherein the breath is held for some time within or without, which is called Kumbhaka. This technique is again explained here as a yajna by which the practitioner in the long run learns to offer all the subsidiary pranas into the main prana. Prana is not the breath. This is a general misunderstanding. Through breath control, we come to gain a perfect mastery over the activities of the pranas in us. When we observe closely, we find that the term prana indicates the various manifested activities of life in a living body. Generally, 5 different pranas are enumerated corresponding to different functions in every living body. Function of perception called prana, function of excretion known as apāna, function of digestion and assimilation is called samana, circulatory system which distributes food to all parts of the body known as vyāna, and the capacity of a living creature to improve himself in his mental outlook and intellectual life is known as udana. These activities of life are brought under the perfect control of the individual through the process of pranayama. By controlling the breath, the mind is also controlled. For this reason, breath control is prescribed as a healthy and helpful practice in spiritual life. It is everybody's experience that breathing is closely connected with the operations of the mind. When a gust of passion disturbs the mind. The breath becomes irregular at once. And as the passion cools down, the breath also becomes normal. When the breath is irregular due to some physical exertion, it is again impossible to concentrate the mind. So regularity of breath always accompanies mental concentration. Following this process of pranayama, the seeker gains a complete capacity to withdraw completely all his perceptions of the outer world for gaining the knowledge of the self. Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna.